You know, I should put some lip gloss first. Let me do that. Okay, I feel much better. Put my lip gloss on and gotta put the earrings on. Feel me? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel. In case y'all new here, my name is Chizzy. Call me C or Chizzy C, CC, whoever. But you know, the name is Chizzy. So today I will be doing a wig review and a wig install on this hair that I bought from Amazon. And this is her. So yeah, I should give her a name. I don't know what should I name her. Comment down below. Yeah, but this is her and I will be installing like I say. And I'm gonna tell y'all about this hair. So if y'all want to see this video, stay tuned, and also like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you're new here. And yeah, just show some love and yeah. But make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and keep on watching this video. So this is the wig and this is how it looks. And I got it from Amazon, and the name of this company is called Juha. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I'm gonna put it on the screen for y'all. But this is the hair. It is a deep wave curly wig, and it is a 13x4. Comes with a comb at the back, well, at the bottom, and you already know the adjustable strap. 2 combs on the side. Originally it was a comb in the middle, but I don't like combs in the middle, so I end up cutting off. As you can see, this is the lace. Maybe my boom. This hair is 180 density, which is not that bad, and it is 30 inches long. This is going to be my 3rd time installing this wig. The first time I did is when I was about to go to my trip to Turks, and came out so nice. Like, I really love it. A lot of people thought I went to a hairstylist or whatever. I was like, nope. Yeah, that was the best wig install I ever did. And yeah, so it really lasts the whole 5 days that I stayed in Turks. But yeah, this wig is big head friendly for all my girls that have big head, microphone head, just like me. Well, I have a small head now. But yeah, but also it's small head friendly for all the girls that have small head like myself. It's just how you do it at the end of the day. That's why we have straps in the back, so we can adjust it, make it small, make it, you know, big, you know. It's whatever. It's how you put it at the end of the day. But yeah, it's also big head friendly and small head friendly. Yeah, I did end up plucking it here. Well, I ended up plucking it the first time when I got it. Sorry guys, that was my mom. Yes, I got it. I'm doing my video. Hi YouTube. That's about it. But the hair is good. Does it shed? Of course it does shed. It doesn't shed that bad at all. I got this hair for I think $140. Very cheap, very affordable. Woo. Let's install it. I'm tired of looking like a sexy little bill. can't put it too tight or too loose. Gotta put it just right. Okay. There, look. Okay. And guys, I'm gonna be right back, okay? Okay guys, so this is the final look. See, the curls is popping. This is how long it is. Say I got this from Amazon for $140, and I love the hair. Love it a lot. But thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. But I'm gonna see you on my next video. Bye.